Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downtrend on this one continues, and definitely a couple of key dynamics happened here today. And the first dynamic revolves around the fact that the price broke down below what had been a good, solid general area of support right there around $16.15. And with that breakdown, that also brings about now the first key level to watch from the resistance side of things. And this is all just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving forward now, 16.15 is going to be that near-term level of resistance. Good news is it's not like the price is super far below, down here at like $14 or something. But moving forward, nonetheless, if the price does go sideways and then attempts to move itself back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides. It's not necessarily can the price get back up to 16.15, but can the price break above it and then most importantly stay up above it? So keep an eye on that very closely from the resistance side of things. And then from more so the overarching standpoint resistance-wise, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving, because yes, right now that's valued at 1745, but that value is going to move around and change because the line itself is going to move around and change. So keep an eye on those couple of levels from the resistance side of things. As far as supports, things are a little sketchy right now because right now the price is kind of in no man's land. I mean, you have a little bit of a support right here at 1550, but if 1550 does not hold up, then the next key level of support, not until down there around 1390. Now, let me make this very clear. I'm not saying that if 1550 fails, that within 2 seconds it's going to go down there. I'm just saying that when you look back at the chart, there just aren't any other data points that suggest any sort of areas of support. So it just kind of enters into this big blank space on the chart, which can always make things a little sketchy. But overall, we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, as of right now, it's looking like the bears have picked up even more momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.